Well, my name is Naomi. I am a student right now of Christ University. I've been part of Renegade Arts and Theatre Society for the past 6 years now, since it started. And I've been part of most of the productions. My entire family is involved in acting. And, I've been in plays since I was 8. So I've always loved being on stage and loved being part of the entertainment and doing different plays, and Rats has given me that opportunity to do different kinds of plays. Well, in this play, The Pillow Man, I play a policewoman called Ariel. She is a tough policewoman, being in a sort of all-male dominated profession, and she takes charge of the case in a way towards the end, and is very confident of her skills and knows what she wants, and but it may come out as being too aggressive at the end. Yeah, Ariel is actually meant to be played by a male, but we decided to change it a little bit. The script is written to sort of suit both genders, and I don't think there's much of a difference or there's anything that I have to put extra effort into because I'm a female and playing a male character. It's not that difficult. Basically, we have a particular person who's our contact person for most of our corporates, and then then they get us in touch with the head over there or somebody in charge, and we approach that person, send out a mail, talk to them on the phone, give them publicity options, and as a main sponsor or associate sponsor, and we're always doing a play for a good cause, so that's our motto. I think this play is completely different from anything they've ever seen before. I've been to a lot of plays in Bangalore, and I've never seen a script so thrilling and so engaging, and it really leaves you with thoughts at the end. It will really engage you, it will silence you, it will leave you wondering what the hell, but it does bring out certain issues that we don't think about on a daily basis, and we need to be woken up about. Well, so that has been our director since we started Rats, and it's absolutely fun working with him because he doesn't really scream at us and push a nail into our head, but it's nice. He knows exactly what he's doing, and he knows where he wants to go, and he gives us that direction and that push to achieve what we can and our potential.